What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kris KeyZ, where I help music producers, musicians, and content creators use your talents and turn it into a career. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Suno, some of the new updates that they've rolled out, and what does that mean for creators? How is this going to help or affect the way that you've been creating in the past? So starting September, next month, as of the day of this video, September the 3rd, Suno is rolling out some new updates, the models, a 5.5 version, which in a lot of ways is going to help musically, but in a lot of ways, I think it's going to affect a lot of musicians and producers, songwriters who've been created on the platform. The biggest takeaway that I see now is the downloads. You're now starting September the 3rd, 2026. If you're on a free plan, you're going to get only 7 lifetime trial downloads. If you're on the pro plan, they're giving you 20 downloads per month. If you're on the premium, you get 60 downloads a month. And then if you're on the premium, the Suno Studio paid program month-to-month subscription, they're giving you unlimited downloads. Now I'm going to tell you right off the bat, just the tier that they have it in is letting me know this is a business decision. And it's a $5.4 billion business decision, which was their latest evaluation that they mentioned. Billion-dollar companies, as much money as they make, they tend to usually try to find more ways to make more money and to create an ecosystem that you don't have to leave from. And I believe Suno is starting to slowly implement more of that strategy. Like I said, if you look at the tier, even on the lower paid tiers, they're giving you free to 20 to 60 downloads. Even 60 downloads, it might seem like a lot if you're just starting out. But if you're a serious music creator, that's what, 2 downloads or so a day. It's really not that much. So they're kind of forcing you, or not forcing you, but incentivizing you to boost up and get on their studio, their Suno Studio platform, which in return is going to prevent you from wanting to leave the platform. You don't have to download your stems or your songs and then try to move them to Logic or Ableton or some other DAW. That's where they're trying to make Suno Studio, with the stem splitter. They're trying to update that. The new time signatures, and this new update, they're adding a voice introduction. One thing that's interesting, you can now record your voice in, and AI will now read your voice and kind of create songs based around your voice, which is also expandable and usable on a mobile phone. So they're adding a lot of features, which is kind of pretty cool. The one thing they're taking away is they're now making it a little bit harder for you just to go in and prompt, hey, make me a R&B song or make me a hip hop song, and then just downloading that and uploading it to streaming platforms. They're trying to crack down on that. I think when they had a little dispute with the Warner Brothers or the labels, I think that's something that was probably, I'm pretty sure, negotiated or discussed. So now you just won't be able to go in, and they're trying to make it really difficult for you just to put in a simple prompt, make me a hip hop song, no creativity behind it, and then just upload it. So that's going to be taken away. And once again, another thing that they're adding for you to stay on their platform is you can now upload your songs, and then it can now have new prompts to where are custom models to where it'll create personalized model variants, so to speak, or ideas, personalized up to 3 personalized variants from your song. So technically, this could be a way to train AI to your sound. You could possibly develop an AI sound. That's kind of cool. So everything's not so bad if you're open to that. Once again, AI is nothing without us. It has to train and use real life instances. So, some people aren't 100% comfortable with giving AI that power. Some people are. I don't think it's going nowhere, but it's up to you. How much are you willing to assist and on the process, as well as use Suno for your creativity. Another thing Once again, like I said, it's the licensing. Warner Brothers and Suno did with Warner Brother. They came up with the agreement together, a partnership, which is direction includes licensing AI music, participating artists, vocals and likenesses, compensation mechanism, more control around AI generated music. So, there's also been rumors out there that, maybe they're going to come out with their own streaming platform, because now you're not going to be able to download all of these ideas that you're creating. They're going to let you just share it and like it. So is that kind of like the new streaming platform for AI music? It's not yet confirmed, but in my head, I'm thinking Suno is just creating their own ecosystem and doing kind of things, in a, I ain't gonna say a malicious way, but it's in a way to get you to partake without getting your full approval, if that makes sense. So let me know what you think. If you're a creator that's been on the platform, have you, is 60 downloads enough, or do you feel like you need to boost up and go to the full unlimited version by getting on their platform, getting on the studio? Let me know. Have you tried the free version? Is this still going to be your go-to platform for creating AI? Let me know in the comments below. But until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Once again, it's your boy Kris KeyZ. Y'all be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, y'all have a great day. Peace.